Okay, well, this is just a short tutorial for you, just to show you how I've been using keyframes. First thing I like to do is I don't really use auto crop I haven't been using auto crop, so this is strictly not auto crop. But first thing I do is I cut the clip where I want it to be, find where I want to start. Let's say I want to start with Captain America here, add my first keyframe, hit the spacebar to follow the action. Then what I do is I add another keyframe, and then here I can resize to the zoom. So maybe I want Cap to be more in focus. Maybe zoom in on how amazing he is over here. Now, be very careful that you watch out for this little dot here in the middle that always stays in the middle. So when you're moving around, yeah, you don't want that bouncing all over the place. All right, so we're gonna go to the next shot. Okay, so let's say we wanna now, oh yes, before I move to, we've got two characters here. We've got Captain America and we've got Thor. What I like to do is I like to drop another keyframe here, which acts almost as a copy of the last one. Therefore, it's letting me know that I actually do not want to move. I don't want to be moving around. I want that shot static. Press the plus key here just to zoom in your timeline. And then what I do is I let it play just a little bit. I stop. That means this is how much distance I want the keyframe to move. So between here and here, I don't want any movement. So I click add keyframe. Now I want to get to Thor. Boom, here. He's going to ask for the hammer. Carry on playing. Okay, so maybe I want to zoom into Cap again. But again here, I want to add another keyframe to hold hold where it was, play a little bit, go from, let me go from Cap, add another keyframe. So here I want to go from Cap, passing the hammer back to Thor, which should be from here to about here. No, let me bring it about here. Here to here. So he just grabbed it. That's where I want him to throw it. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Add another keyframe here to stop. Let it play a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I've been doing it. And let's watch that all back. So Cap zooms in, gives to Thor. Here, grabs the hammer, throws it, boom, good to go. Hope that helps.